Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. Vlog. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining the family. If you're a returning subscriber, also thank you for coming back. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do DIY colored lashes. If you don't know where to find them, if you are on a budget, or just for fun, if you just want to do it for fun, if you like the video, which you will absolutely like, like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, tulisema supporting is also sharing, not just watching and liking and subscribing, and all that helps and thank you, but also sharing is a very big part of supporting. Anyway, let's get into the video. Also, you can do this trick with any other color. It doesn't have to be purple. I just did it with purple because I think it's cute and it's pretty and it's pigmented sana. Thing I'm going to do is cut them to fit my eyes. I know they already fit my eyes because I've worn I had to have worn one pair, so I know they fit. So I'm just going to cut huko mwisho. After that, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I chose it because it's the lightest shade I have. The lighter it is, the more the colors will pop. The next thing is covering all the hair on my lashes with concealer. Totally covering it, front and back, and you'll see that. Like I told you, this is the other side. I'm covering with concealer. You have to cover both sides. On to the second lash. I'll just do the same, both sides, covering both sides. After you're done, you should let the concealer dry up kidogo before going in with the colors. We'll go in with this purple eye lipstick. This step is not necessary. You first you can just go on the concealer with the pigment from your eyeshadow, but I started with going in with this lipstick, the shade purple. Also, I didn't let my lash dry, the concealer dry vizuri, no wonder the pigment ya purple haionekani sana, so let yours dry up kidogo, better than mine. But it's not a must. You can just go in with eyeshadow. I'll show you hapa mbele kidogo. After applying lipstick to both lashes, now I'm packing in a purple eyeshadow. I'm showing it hapa mbele, you'll see it. Is it? I'm packing it. I was trying to swipe hapa, but you're supposed to press, not swiping. You'll see me improve the technique as we go on. The first lash is done. You can see the pigment ilishika after patting in. We repeat the same on the second lash. So first, shading with lipstick. And then patting it in. So now at least I'm patting the product in, the powder in. Nikaona inaanza kushika. Also, it's going to be messy, so don't mind. We're ready for a mess, but pressing the product in works really good. I'm just tapping in, pressing in. And then the other side is the bottom side, and itakuwa juu ukivaa, so you must shade it, ama ukivaa itaonekana tu it was black. Yeah, and it's the same thing, just but in the eyeshadow. It's finished. It's the finished product. See how pretty it is. You can't even tell it was black. Okay, niliacha kapach hapa, but I later filled it in. From my eyeshadow palette, I used that purple there. Yeah. Guys, this is the final look and I love it. Huh, what? Also, I tried doing a purple blush. I combined a couple of colors to give me a purplish blush. Try and tell me how it goes. Bye. I'll see you on my next video.